Hello, this is nephew. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Terengineer, and welcome. Let's back for the PC build. And today I want to clean is what is this? Fan clean. So then, yeah, is I use half years for the using the brand new PC for the tough gaming, but I can see the face is dirty on the case. So then, plus all the build for the RTX 305 level because I want to see for the Honor 20 will be respawn. If the too long now use the respawn, then the graphics card possible be the doesn't respond. I can see for the what light for diagnostic debug light. So then let's check it out. Alright, so then PC I already shut down. So then, as you can see, so the little dirty. Yeah, let's closer to see what's going on there. Yeah, I need to turn the light. You can see the visible. Yeah, just a little dirty, as you can see for the outside the fan case. The power already shut down, so go away. This the cable because something is smoking. Smoking is very dirt, but the graphics card still respond. It's only colors, and let's go for the responding here. Or just the black one because it's getting concealed for the dirty. The one is can see visible dirty. So anyway, let's clean up for the fan. And plus, there's all the graphics card. It must be for the respawning. Okay, I put the aim pin and the OG thermopast. So I need to replace it. So it must be if you want to remove and replace it. Okay, hello, this is nephew, ladies and gentlemen, and okay, we are upstairs here. This cable, so the seal is dirty. Let's open the flashlight to see what's wrong. Oh my goodness, the cable was dirty. I don't know what the heck is going on. Yeah, so there's kind of smoke, and I never ever for the smoke includes for my family, but there was it helps. So if I can see it for dirty, yeah, I should be for the cleaning now. So then let's see for the remove what's going on. Alright, so as you can see, there's a zip type here. You see my finger? This is a zip type. Yeah, we use the zip type because the possible it might be cut on the cable. So it was damaged. If sometimes possible the fan is not responding, includes the RGB. So then, yeah, we use that. This is why I recommend don't use that. This one I won't recommend it. So this one is better for me. So then I won't for the zip like that shit. But I have nice scissors. So I want to cut. Ah, damn. Okay, listen, ladies and gentlemen, this graphics card is not easy. Then, towards, we can see the lights, all clean. Let me check. Clean, nothing happened for the top was broken. It was working. The only move for the graphics card is like here, cause the pixel crack. Alright, so now the green color in boot. Now let's go to that shit. Okay. Put it here. No stop. Bye bye. So okay, and this is Netflix, ladies and gentlemen. So about now the film about for the it's only one remove for the fence. So then now fence completely removed and I'll draw for the OC type. And that's also for the clean, but that's the inside. Let me show you. Okay, that is so dirty. Holy crap. Well, so then let's clean up. But I want to add this motherboard for the something. But that's another thing. I want to plug in a pin for the RTS 3050 for the graphics card. But I need the cell for the PCIe. First down for the plug in the A pin for the PSU on PCIe. You guys can see shit. Also, you see my hands? So the PSU plug-in for the 8 pins. RTS to the firewall. For the testing, something else. For the bunny, switch pass, and the bit back for the box. I could use the RTS 56 in time. If something issues, no whatever. Alright, so then a plugin for the Get Tough Game Tough. So then I for this one, cause the something is putting wrong. So I put here, so this better. Oh my dears, so yeah, dirty anywhere. The plugin, you guys can see it. Oh, SSD is still here, so then it's not put it on the way. That one I just put it for the bottom one. Possible B. Still the face is still broken once again. So yeah, let's figure out. I think we list the catch card. let's check out the cleaning with the CPU. Oh, what the hell? Okay, now I'm cleaning for the CPU is also for the dirty. So then it's not easy drop. It's not easy. So then next is this cleaning time is dirty fans. That's cleaning time. So then I'll be the post for the installing for the recording. There is already now. So then let's finish the putting for the case fans first. But there's a liquid cooler for the later installed. There's another still not clean yet. This one, and the left one. Okay, this is nephew, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, putting it back, but let's forget that while. Okay, so then I must be the plugging for the fans on the case. So then stop. let's pull it out and plug in the RGB for the last one. See if I let's see what's going. So maybe hopefully it's all complete. Let's go. White, green, done. This diamond seems like it's pretty very far away. Okay, so show you on the installer. So let's enter the BIOS. It's on the left side working. F7. Now this one. So here's the tips. Alright, M.2.4 no longer installed. So then it's only M.2.3. Just this one. Alright, here's Ultra. So again, Q-4. Now install that. Intel 2.3. Alright, switch to Gen 4. Okay, got it. Let's see for this spawning. Check on the diagnosis light. Yellow. It's ready for the delay. Hold on. Gone. White. Great, no problem. Or if she's showing, then let's see what's going on. Oh damn, not plugging. They're still black. Don't see them. Just fire up. Oh, it's not contact. It's not good. Give me a second for hold on. It can be fully installed. Okay, this contact. Wait for the main monitor. Okay, it's contact, but is it showing? Oh, it's working. Nope, it's not. Yeah, it's working. Looks like back on another one. Oh, correct. Hold on for the support. GPU fan is here. Yeah, you can see it. No joy contact. TS3050. What's going on? Check it out. No system update. Yeah, graphics card is still disappear. Alright. Burn it out.我有 CCT. Korea? Yes. Oh, it's on the second. It's on a power test. Okay, let's try it all. Fire up. I said on 2 minutes. The water scaler overheat. Oh, right. I forgot that one. This one, oh, already contact. Never mind. $200. Yeah, that got for the overheat. I got over watts. That's okay. The RGB light is issues, but it's not more working. Graphics card now is 150 watts. 60, 30, 63 degrees for the graphics card. Alright, 2 minutes. The 30 degrees is still not responding. This can be capturing time. Alright, almost there. Alright, done. Test complete. So then, here it goes. No problem. Alright, so then let's put it back to the RTX 5060. Finger guy. Plug in a RTX 5060 Type 4. Let's remove from the AP. How's this is working? Okay, now is install cables. So we put it back. Alright, hi. Okay, she's fired up. And let's see. It's working. Check on download this light. The LED light is white, green. Alright. So now I switch to the Gen 4. Bring back for the cities. Continue. Alright, so then switch to this. Oh, damn. Okay, no problem. Oh, that's nice, see? Oh, damn. I lost that. Oh, I'm gonna plug in. Can you see shit? And then restart. She's in? Okay, she's in. Alright, the settings. Choose a Gen 5. So then choose a Gen 5. (2.1) 2-1 next speed Gen 5 done. Q dashboard check. Yeah, but this one. Okay, I'll say the Gen 4. I'll send it. Nice. Alright, save it. Choose OK. Download this track so I can see shit. Alright, forget. Alright, hopefully it's working as well. Yeah, set a style for the delay, cause it will be something happen. Just not switch to immediately. Just for the something's wrong. Alright, start. Hold on for the start. Alright, she's still connecting. And stand by for the here. GPU fans. What is this? Asus GPU tweak. Stand by. Wait for the contract. There's no need. Already installed. Stand by for the video contract. It's loading. It's about 30 seconds. Not about for the 1 minute. Okay, just connect. There we go. Nice. All finished out. Okay, screen is working, includes the Intel. Alright. Open the GPU tweak. Okay, let's go, baby. There is a default stages, so then I just favor like this. Alright, check on the admin quit. Loading is correct, but it's only serial file I can support for the admin quit. This one still disappeared. This one in restart, it can be visible on the your graphics card RGB light. Alright, so then let's put on the case for right here. Okay, niece and nephew, ladies and gentlemen, there's something wrong for the header, so then I'm putting back for the center RGB locate. So now it's no problem. Okay, so then, well, for the PC clean for change position is complete, but also then the graphics card for the RTS 3050, but still for the responding here. Well, there's no any for the issues. Alright, so then that's it with on the PC build. Thanks for watching one. Hope you join guys in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash like button, thumbs up, and comment. Subscriber only can comment. And don't forget for the super thanks. If you want to join the TJ's fan, link it in description down below YouTube channel. But now, I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.